These are individual bulbs with an on-off switch, and you can hear that. It's pretty good, pretty strong on-off switch. You can feel that. It looks like there is individual fuses for each one, so you got a little bit of safety built into it. And this would be used for when you're trying to light up individual things, pumpkin or some kind of globe or whatever. And it's just got a nice little bit of tangs on the side, so you can use this to tie it down onto things, or maybe use some screws or something like that to screw it down into whatever you're doing. So let's go ahead and plug one in. All right, so she's plugged in. So there we go. It's got a nice bright filament in there. That's an interesting filament. It's not an LED. Let me go ahead and turn this off so you can see that. That is pretty cool. And that's giving off a good amount of light, but not too much. So that would be a good glow inside of a pumpkin or something like that. So that's pretty cool. So again, it looks like there are 4 of these, and like I said, each one comes with its own little fuse section. Each one has its own off and on, and has its area for you to be able to put these down onto something and to be able to hold them in. So that's kind of cool. So check them out if that's something that you're looking for. So when you have your jack-o'-lantern complete, you could go ahead and drill a hole through the center of it and then use these tangs to hold itself into that hole. Now you'd have to have a bit that is big enough for that to go into, but that would really hold into the bottom of the pumpkin, and then that could rest down on the bottom of the pumpkin like that. So that's kind of cool. So there you go.
So here we were trying to get a little spooky vibe with our planter here, and my phone is picking up a lot of light, so it's not looking as dark and eerie as it does in real life. But we just put the light bulb down here into the cactus plant here, and we have the skeleton arms coming out, so it gives it this funky eerie glow, but you're not really seeing it because the light's too bright. But anyway, this is just one idea of things you can do. You can also put it, like we said earlier, inside a jack-o'-lantern, and it does have more of a purplish glow, but unfortunately my camera is picking up too much light and it's not showing the ambiance that it's showing in real life. But anyway, just a suggestion there on different ways you can use it.